Assalamualaikum, this is Himu. May Allah peace, mercy and blessings be all upon you. I'm learning English in British American Language Center. Well, now I would like to talk about how I spent 21st February. We know that 21st February is very memorable day to us. It is not only National Mother Language Day, but also International Mother Language Day. In Bangladesh, it is very significant day. On this day, at first, I got up early in the morning. Then I washed myself and had my breakfast. After that, I got ready for going to Shahid Mina. Everybody goes to Shahid Mina for giving flowers. Everyone respects the language matters with giving flowers. I also went to Shahid Mina and gave some flowers. Also, I had a reciting program on Shahid Mina. After finishing this program, I went to my school and joined the competition which was arranged by our school. It was a very matter of joy that I achieved the first prize. After that, I returned home and I washed myself. Then I ate my lunch and took rest for a while. Further, I got ready for going to Raspberry Mat. There was a prize-giving ceremony on Raspberry Mat. Also, there was a cultural program. My brother attended on this program. As I went there with my family, so all of us enjoyed this program. However, we returned home, but it was so late. Last of all, it was very enjoyable day for me. That's all for today. Thanks a bunch and be happy always.